sir is a pharmaceutical professional with a vast experience of 25 years, and his qualification is M.Pharma and PhD. Apart from his professional life, he is also a social activist, motivational speaker, keynote speaker, author, and part of various networking and social organizations. Sir is also an instrumental in doing a research into a field of manufacture of pure cocoa-based chocolates. He is also an author, penned down book on chocolates called as Chocolate Civilization, covering 4,000 years history in all about chocolates, which is also available on Amazon. Along with this, sir is a part of the world's biggest social organization, Rotary International, since 14 years. Sir has done many projects under Rotary like water conservation, health and hygiene, mother and child care, literacy mission, polio eradication, blood donation, camps and tree plantation. Sir is concerned with a Guinness World Record of maximum organs donation pledge. Along with this, sir has got a special award for working on water conservation from a waterman of India, Shri Rajendra Singh Ji. He is recipient of various awards from Government of Rotary International Best President. Along with this, his personal projects is cycle donation. He collects all the old cycles from the society and which are not in use. He gets repair and donate to the girls students in the village who have to walk 5 to 10 kilometers every day to attend a school. He is also working for autism children's instrument and donate the vans for transportation for autism suffering children. Sir also worked as work and made a plastic free villages, and also work for e-classroom where donation of projectors, computers in a village for students as they are a future of our country. During this pandemic, sir has been working towards the mobile causes and helped many people with COVID-related activities with blood donation camps, and he himself also donated blood and donated PPE kit to hospitals, food and grocery, and to the red containment zone, especially for needy people in our community. He also instead the health task force in Pune to help the people in a COVID. Sir is concerned with a Surya Gaurav International COVID Warrior Award. We are honored to have a such renowned personality with us. Now I request Professor Chandrakant Thorat sir to felicitate Mr. Deepak Toshani sir with a token of gratitude. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Deepak Toshwani sir to address our students.
Hello. So, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, thank you so much, Prachika, for that very long and long introduction of mine. I thought I gave everything so that you can have a good time, but thank you so much for such lovely introduction of mine. So, friends, I am here today with you Last year I was online, but I think that was a different batch, and this is a different batch. So first here, why did I come here? I'd like to tell you first that. First and foremost thing, remember one thing, I have not come here to give you can. Please remember that I have not come here to give you can. I have come here to share my experience. I come here to share my experience so that this experience becomes very useful in your life. This is why I have come here, and that is what I am going to share here. That's all about my passion, my experience, and whatever I have gained in my life all these years. This is what I'm going to share with you. I'm sure if these things are going to add value in your life, because if I come here, I always feel one thing for sure is I need to add value to somebody's life. If I've been called here, I need to give you something what I'm doing. Now, I would like to ask each and everybody here, what do you want to become in life? What is your goal? I think if you can give the mic also. If you can just answer one by one, let's have a very interactive session there. So I wanted to ask, yeah, please go ahead. What is that you want to, what's your future after this?
Firstly, to become a successful person,
Okay,
and then a good family person,
okay,
and a good for and do something a social work and all. This is my priority.
okay. Thank you. So that means one thing is which that you are going to get married.
Yes.
Good. So that's very nice. So let's go to the next one. Anybody else would like to share here? What is that you want to become after this? After this, what is that you have in your mind? Anybody wants? Like we said, you want to become a very successful successful man, whether it is job or business, whatever it could be. Anybody else would like to answer here? Come on, be open here. Let's yeah, please go ahead. Just give it the mic so that everybody can hear you.
Good was for my family. Work for social. How can I get social? I appreciate the mission.
Sure. That's very good one. You want to contribute to the country. You want to do some social work. At the same time, you want to take care of your family. That's very good. So we all are here to become something successful. As I said, we all are here to become successful. So what I feel in your life, what I feel is in your life, there are two things what you need to remember in life. What you need to remember in life is two things. Once again, I am coming back to my words. Whatever you do, tomorrow after this, you may join a job, or you may become a businessman, or you may help your family, whether your mother in as a housewife or your father in business. Whatever you do, one principle in life I would definitely tell you all to remember. That is value addition. That is value addition. Let's say if you are going in a sales or marketing, if you are going to sales or marketing, doing a job from 9 to 5, doing a job from 9 to 5 is fine. It's absolutely fine. 9 बजे और कब 5 बजेंगे ये नहीं देखना. What is one thing you added to that day? What is that one idea you added on that day to that company? What is that one thing you added? At least minimum one thing. Do you believe in this?
Yes,
sir.
Fantastic. So why I'm telling you? Why this is necessary I'm telling you? Before going ahead with all the presentation, why it is important I'm telling you. Example, everybody's got a mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
Now, somebody has put his time, somebody has put his value addition, somebody has put his time to discover it, so we are able to use it. Electricity, somebody has invented it, somebody has put time in, so they have added value to it. So what I believe is, same way, we need to keep on adding value to this humanity. Whatever you do. So always keep in your mind, whatever I am doing it, मैं जो भी कर रहा हूं मैं कहां ऐड कर रहा हूं. Even if you are doing a friendship, please see that you are adding some value to that friendship. So this is one thing. Before I could start anything, I always tell this. Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind and keep on adding value to it. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss about FMCG. Who would like to tell the? It's already there. So who wants to tell the definition of FMCG, which was there on the slide just now? Anybody wants to tell what is FMCG? It is here. So fast moving consumer goods. So how many people know FMCG market or FMCG goods? How many people know this? If you can raise hand again. FMCG goods क्या होते हैं? What are FMCG goods? Yes.
जो डेली यूज में रहते हैं.
हाँ. Example.
फूड और grocery.
Okay. Anybody else? Non-durable goods. Okay. Yes. Daily product. Okay. You all are right. FMCG goods are daily consumable goods which are required every day. DMart में जाते हैं. So most of the goods are FMCG goods. So in life, in this market, the most important part here is FMCG goods which are required. Second comes the pharma. Now pharma we don't have to tell. Now I don't have to tell anybody about pharma. Pandemic has taught us everything. So everybody knows that FMCG and pharma, these are the things which are most required. So what today we are going to see is about FMCG, food and pharma. अगर ये तीन जान गए, you have everything in life. I feel you have everything in life. This is what I believe, because these are the basic need of a humanity. Am I right? Okay. Now, how many people want to become an entrepreneur? Can you raise hand? How many people want to become an entrepreneur? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I think 20% of them want to become an entrepreneur. What is an entrepreneur?
A person who starts its own business or something creative.
Okay.
Entrepreneur is going to create employment.
Okay. What is the difference between entrepreneur and a business owner? Can anybody say? What is the difference between an entrepreneur and a business owner? Yes. Entrepreneur is into? Okay. See, business owner are, he has told to some extent right answer. Business owner are business, they own the business. Any kind of a business, they own the business. Entrepreneur are something which they make creative of their own. They create something of their own. They do the creative part is there. So there is a difference between business owner and an entrepreneur. There are hundreds, thousands and lakhs of business owners, but entrepreneurs are very few. That's the reason government is encouraging entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are something who are creating of their own. Business owner are something that taking the legacy ahead. जो मार्केट में चल रहा है, बहती गंगा में हाथ धोना. So entrepreneur is something where you are creating something. So in life now, what do you want to become if you want to start a business? A business owner or an entrepreneur? Yes. So this is what is the future of the country. We should try to become an entrepreneur in life. Okay. Even if you do a job, no problem. Creativity is the basic thing in life. So from here, let me start. So what I suggest is, don't you think, now I'll ask here before going there, let me ask, why is India famous in the world? I want to know the reason. Why India is famous in the world?
Culture.
No, one by one. Yes.
Culture.
Culture, okay. Yes.
Number of gods.
Okay, one by one. Please go ahead. Provide manpower, okay. Number of gods. Oh, wow, okay. Talent and skill, yes.
Because of the diversity and kind of population, like new mind is going to world as well.
Okay, yes, please.
Because in large number of agriculture production is there,
India, okay.
The full supply of production toward the India and out of India.
Okay. Pharmaceutical hub, okay. Okay. Most of them are right. Most of them are right. But there is one person who said about manpower. Who was that? You said. I tell you, India is, even if you see our Prime Minister's speech, India is the biggest exporter of manpower, talent. We are the biggest exporter of manpower and talent apart from all the things. Because India being a biggest country, we produce, and population is more, we produce a lot of agricultural goods, we produce so many things in the industry, but the biggest is we export talent. We export manpower. As every fifth person in the world is Indian, if you go to USA, every HOD in colleges or hospital, it's all again Indians. It's all again Indians. One of them said pharmaceutical hub. Yes, the entire world has to come to India to buy pharmaceuticals. Now, success doesn't come so easily. Success doesn't come so easily. किसी किसी को बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड में जल्दी पड़ जाती है, किसी किसी को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. I'll just compare with this. So it is same thing. Failure. So first I want to not talk only about the success part. We need to see about the failure. Keep on trying it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth steps comes the success part. So what my suggestion is, there are two things what I want to focus here is, failure are going to come. Don't become nervous here. Failure are going to come, and if failure doesn't come, फिर problem होता है. अगर failure नहीं होता है तो problem होता है. But what I suggest is, what you require is, these are the steps. Failure, to whether you want to do a job or become a business owner, failure होता है. Don't worry at all of that. Don't get nervous of that. Don't get demotivated of that. Go ahead, and I tell you, be happy if you have failed. Celebrate failure. Nobody celebrates failure. Celebrate failure because uska next step is success. Why should you celebrate failure? Because the next step is success. That means you are sure the next step is going to be successful. Hope you all agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Now, who is he? So, if you can read that, he, in his early business, he failed and all left him, broke 5 times, then he founded the Ford Motors. He failed. So why I am trying to tell you this? They failed. Henry Ford, जिसने इतना बड़ा कंपनी आज सब जानते हैं, but initial days, maybe from your age, from student kind of age, he failed 5 times. How many times? 5 times. So, Honda. Again, if you see, I just want to read the failures here. The $1 billion business that Honda began is with a series of failures. Is with a series of the failures. Why I want to tell you is, there are series of failures. See, he was turned down by Toyota Motors. Remember that. In an interview, as a job engineer, only as an engineer, he was refused. So failure. So don't get demotivated. Sony TV, Sony, entire Sony. Again, I just want to read the failure part of Sony. The first product what he made was a rice cooker. The first product what he made was a rice cooker, and that unfortunately never cooked rice. That unfortunately never cooked rice. So, but still, he, after later stage, he established Sony. Now, who is this? The KFC man. The KFC man, perhaps known as the Kentucky Chicken Fried. If you see that his chicken recipe was rejected 1009 times. How many times? 1009 times his recipe was rejected. And today, Everybody would like to go and have that, whoever is a non-vegetarian. KFC is a brand, big brand. 1009 times rejection. Imagine his patience. Imagine his passion towards going towards success. The great man, Charlie Chaplin. The great man, Charlie Chaplin, rejected by Hollywood studio chief. He was rejected, as in our Indian, even Mr. Amitabh Bachchan was rejected in All India Radio. And today he is known for his voice. He was rejected in All India Radio. Same is the story of Charlie Chaplin. Today, generations to generations, we cannot forget it. So now, why I wanted to show you all these things is failure. So never ever become a victim to failure. People do suicides. Do not do that. Number one. Number two, as I said, today's takeaway is celebrate failure. Today's takeaway to all of you is celebrate failure. Whenever you have failure and whenever you celebrate, remember. And do a celebrate it, because the next step is going to be success. Please put it in your mind. So now, what I want to tell you is, there's a huge potential of exports in the entire world. As many of you said, right answer. If you take pharmaceutical, the entire world for next 30 to 50 years, they have to come to India. Today, pandemic has proved it again, but still, whoever is from a pharma background, they know, they keep it in mind. This is going to be there for next 50 years. जो भी आज business में अंदर जाएगा, he is going to become a success. Or whatever you do as an innovation or anything in pharmaceutical, it's going to be successful. Now comes the agri people. How many people are from agri background? Wow, fantastic. Now tell me something about agri proudly. Let me see. What do you think about exports of agri?
I think India has.
Okay. Oh, yeah, take the mic part. If you can just give a mic. One can be a mic runner. Yeah. So as she said, in entire India can do. Okay. Anybody else would like to tell anything about agri? What are the opportunities for agri people in entire world as an export? Can anybody tell? Nobody? तो सब बता रहे थे इतने बातें. You should tell. Okay. Yeah.
Organic products and quality products are exported in India.
Good answer. Organic. The entire world is heading towards organic. What is organic? What is organic? Can anybody tell? Yeah.
Fruits and vegetables without using chemical fertilizers.
Chemical free one. So India has got a great potential for organic. As I said rightly, you got a huge opportunity for organic products, for vegan free products, for gluten free products. ये सब कहां से आएंगे? It's only the agriculture part. Now, do you know how many people know millets? कितने लोगों को पता है? Just raise hand. Yes, tell. पहले इसको कोई नहीं जानता था. पहले भी जवार था, पहले भी बाजरा था. But now the word millet has become very big. Do you know, even in chocolates, what I manufacture, the biggest demand for export is millet bars. Millet bars. How many people would be interested in doing business in agri? Okay. Fantastic. I'm seeing a lot of hands raising up. I'm happy for that. What I suggest is there is a huge potential, but remember one thing in agri. When one side you have got all the millets and everything which we can produce organic. On other side, there is one more field which is going up very, very fast. Do you know what is that? In agri. Hydroponics. How many people know this? Super. Can one of them tell about hydroponics? Just can you give the mic? You can take the mic. One can be a mic runner. One of them. Yes. Please tell about hydroponics. Stand up. Acha, you got this paper. Okay, right.
Hydroponic farming is for farming, but for example, silicon.
But how is hydroponics happening? Give it to me.
Without soil and
Okay. You can sit and try, no problem.
It is without soil, but you are growing something without soil with the help of water, and the water vapors come up to the roots of the seeds, and it helps in growing that way. And like we tried it once, like I have personally tried it in my house.
Fantastic. Do you know now you can have a hydroponic in 1 square feet of your house? 1 square feet of your house. The biggest market which is coming up in hydroponics is the roof. पहले 10 साल पहले the new trend was solar करे. There was a solar on the rooftop, but now it is hydroponic in your rooftop. In 1 square feet, grow your own vegetables, and that too. जो गाजर आपको मार्केट में मिलता है, the carrot what you get in the market, whatever the nutrition value of 1 kg of carrot is equivalent to 50 grams or 100 grams of hydroponic carrot. Grams of hydroponic carrots. So you got a huge opportunity in hydroponics too. Hydroponics is soon going to become a biggest export commodity. All the agri people, please keep it in mind. Okay, I said you millet bars. I said you about the hydroponics. Keep it in mind. And third was organic. So these are the things. Even if you are finding a job, try to find in these companies, because these companies are going to be the future of the country. These companies are going to have fantastic future in life. So friends, keep this in mind. This is what, as an industry expert, as an industry perspective, I am trying to share you with you all. So keep it in mind. Now, most important part. These are the ground level products. What I am talking to is ground level products. Now, let me talk about technology. Another product which India is known for in agriculture. Can anybody say? Let me see. Okay. क्या IT sector और agri में क्या? What is that connection? No, I am talking about agri में. In agri, there is one more. Bio insecticide or biopesticides. What are bioinsecticides or biopesticides? Something which doesn't have chemical again. यूरिया में केमिकल होता है, बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड और बायोपेस्टिसाइड में केमिकल नहीं होता है. Example, neem flakes. If you go to Gujarat, how many is there anybody from Gujarat? Okay, which city? Saurashtra. So what I'm telling you, in Gujarat there are huge neem fields. There are huge neem fields. So what they are going to export, neem flakes are used as bioinsecticide or biopesticides. So the future, what you are going to listen is, even keep this in mind. Keep in this mind also the bioinsecticide or biopesticide. Example, if you want to export a fertilizer, you need a huge documentation which is called as dossier. What you require is dossier. But if you want to register something called as bioinsecticide, you need only 10 pages of document. Go to Spain, register it or send it online, register it and start your business. So, why I am trying to share you this insight? These are going to help you after your academic second year. So, keep it in mind. Keep it in mind all these things, whatever I am sharing to you. Hope you all are enjoying my session.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Hope I am not boring you all.
No.
Fantastic. So why I am trying to share you, these are the future for your entire academic year, and this is what after going from here you should have all this knowledge with you. So now try to start Google it, try to focus the companies where you want to go, pharma or food or agri. These are the three industry what I'm doing. Now coming to food part. So we discussed about agri. Now we'll come to the food part. Tell me some products about the food where you got the export opportunity. Can anybody raise your hand? फूड में क्या एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं? कैन यू रेज हैंड प्लीज? हाथ ऊपर करो. लेट्स हैव डेयरिंग. रॉन्ग तो रॉन्ग, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो. यस गो अहेड. हां, वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, फूड प्रोडक्ट. या स्टैंड अप. Or you can say, I sorry, the table is here like that. Yeah. Gravy products. Okay, very good. Anybody else would like to tell?
Our Indian food like South Indian food and all.
Yeah. South Indian food मतलब कैसे करेंगे? इडली भेज देंगे? That's what. Stand up and say, I want you to tell that. Or yes, sit and say, no problem. Say on the mic. Flours, okay. Dairy products. Spices. Okay. And you said something?
ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स भी है तो वो भी वहां से जवाब.
अच्छा, yes. Oh, okay. I never knew this. So milk, vegetable, animal husbandry. Yes, fantastic. Fantastic answer. Even online people are doing. Yeah, very good. So in food, so many people said so many things. So I had told you, vegan free product, gluten free product. Hope you all are agreeing.
Yes, sir.
Gluten free, vegan free products. Ab Nikal, why can't you take out these products? Why can't we do this? Vegan का तो हम कर ही सकते हैं ना. What is vegan free? What is vegan?
It is no part of milk product, something from animals.
Fantastic. Nothing which is from animal source. Okay, vegan. So the world is going towards vegan. What is gluten free? So food mein it is gluten free, it is vegan products, and most important part, now most of the products which are processed food processing, the instant food is the biggest industry. Please keep it in mind. You got opportunity for exports, and it's not so big deal. Every country knows that now. India was not known for the quality. Sorry to say that, but now we are very quality awareness and quality oriented program people now. One of the best quality we get in India. So gluten free, vegan. You know that. How many people know makhana? Do you know that is the biggest market now? Why is makhana famous for? Or what is the nutritional value of makhana?
Highest content of protein.
Super. Highest content of protein. Did anybody think 4-5 years back कि इसमें इतना nutritional value है? Makhana has become a biggest industry now. So try to see where you can get the best nutritional value. So all the students who are interested in the food industry, that's a huge scope. India, and you know, Indians are most foodie. We are known for most foodie. हम जब बाहर जाते हैं तो कपड़े कम खाना ज्यादा रहता है. कपड़े से ज्यादा थेपले ज्यादा रहते हैं. Absolutely fine, because we love food. And one thing we cannot compromise is food. Now, tell me one country that doesn't have Indians. Tell me one country that doesn't have Indians. हर country में Indians है. हर country में आपको market है. हर country में there is a Maharashtra Mandal. हर country में there is a Tana, Bana, Telugu Association, Kannada Association, Bengali Association. You have got all the association. इनको कौन देगा food? हम. So You are the future of that. Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. These are the opportunities for you so that you can do things. Why I am sharing you today is all because of my experience where I am dealing with. I am part of the All India FMCG group. I am the core team member. I am one of the leading members there. I have got 500 people there, agri and food people. I got industrialists there. I got manufacturers there. So these are the things where you should keep your focus. Keep your focus there so that you can, whether you do a job or a business, no problem. It's only the comfort. ऐसा मत सोचना कि मैं जॉब कर रहा हूं और वो बिजनेस करने वाला बड़ा है. No, it's all the comfort level. Because ultimately at the end of the day, you should be satisfied. You should be contented. Then you can have a fantastic sleep. थोड़ा सर भी बरोबर चल रहा है ना? So why I'm trying to discuss with you all? So we are discussing about the food industry. Now another industry, what is very important, I'm going to discuss with you. For food, pharma, and what do you call food, pharma, and agri industry. Another most important part, which we all are forgetting, which nobody notices, is the packaging industry. Is the packaging industry. Do you know? पहले के ज़माने में, I'll just tell you an example. In olden days, the formula of the product would be 70% would be the product and 30% would be the packaging part. Now it has become reverse. Now it has become reverse. 70% is the packaging and 30 or 35% would be the product part. So, ये कहाँ से आएगा? Again, why we are, and you know our biggest strength of our country, what is it? What is the biggest strength of our country? Okay, what was उसमें भी क्या? Youth. Our country is rich with youth. China में 60% or 70% of the population is above 60. And our age is very, very different. So we are young at heart always. और उसमें Pune city is always young. The Oxford of East. Youngsters, the city of youngsters. Pune is always known for that. So packaging industry is one thing you all focus. ये मत सोचना कि मैं packaging industry में मुझे job. It's a big. They are going to pay you huge. Packaging आ गया मतलब क्या आ गया? Again, graphic designing, digital marketing. So these are all the opportunities for food, pharma, and so please keep it in mind. All this opportunity, whether you do a job or whether you become a business owner or an entrepreneur. So now I want to, if anybody has got any question, can you ask? And I go one step forward. Any questions till now?
At that stage, we are I'm going to become an entrepreneur.
Okay.
So what I do at that age to start my future plan?
Okay, very good question. It's a very, very fantastic question. First and foremost thing, which I wanted to share, you have asked this perfectly, what I wanted to share. In your life, one more thing I am going to tell you. You can have fantastic friends, जो सबकी जरूरत है. Apart from mobile, mobile is your first friend. But apart from that, you need fantastic good friends. But if you want to become a successful person, if you want to become a successful person, remember my formula today. Do not forget this formula today. Have at least one mentor in life. Have one mentor in life, at least one mentor in life. Age is not the case. Don't forget the age. In this case, the age is measured by experience. The age is measured by the kind of presence of mind. The age is measured by success. So, what he said, whatever you want to become a what do you call, you want to become a what do you call, a business owner, entrepreneur, or want to go to a job, find a mentor. Find a mentor. Why can't you find a mentor? People like me who have got experience, they are very well ready to give back to the society. They are ready to share their experience with students like you. So please have at least one mentor and talk. Can you all do it?
Yes.
Today, this is another takeaway. Another takeaway. I am sure after this session, you should find a mentor. जो भी रहने दो, दोस्त अलग होंगे, mentor अलग होंगे. You should have one mentor in life for professional life, personal life also. Personal life also. You can have a mentor in life. At least one. You can have any number of mentors, but have a mentor. Mentor is one who is going to share his experience to you, and he can guide you. He or she can guide you. So please do have a mentor in life. So what you said, mentor. You want to become an entrepreneur, you want to go in a food line or any line, have a mentor of that person. That person is going to help you. Hope you all agree with me.
Yes.
Fantastic. So this is another thing what I wanted to share with you. Okay, so what are the things you require if you want to do a exports? If you want to go into exports, first and foremost thing is you want to have one certificate called as IEC, Import Export Code. Import Export Code, which is available on the website, government website. So IEC, you should get registered. You will get a that is DGFT. In Ministry of DGFT, under that you will get that. So for exports, these are things. These are the documents what you require. GST, from DGST, DGFT registrations. Everything you can do online. Everything you can do online. Even by studying, you can start your own. Depends upon your capacity and caliber. Okay. Now, so this is what is required when you do the exports. When you just I'm taking you through so that you are accustomed with this. So you require export document, pre-shipping document. In shipping bill, we require name of the exporter, name of the consignee, invoice number, details of packaging, appropriate shipping bill. These are the documents what you require whenever you do an export. Now, these are the documentation, but what should be the first step? Whenever you go to an export, what should you do that? First is you should select a country, check the demography, population kya hai, culture kya hai, what kind of food people eat, what kind of a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, what are they going to eat that? So find out that. So this is another thing what I have put it. Then each country's regulation, guideline and compliances. Regulation, guidelines and compliances. You should supply all the documents there of each country. So please make a note of it. This is only to put a first-hand information to you so that whenever you go for export, you can do it. Today my emphasis is on export. Now, the most important part is basket of goods or selection of the products. Selection of products is the next step. What you should do is most important. Then try to find a business partner in that country. Try to find a business partner in that country. एक दोस्त बनाओ, एक business partner बनाओ. Is it fine? Next, pricing. Compare the pricing there. इतना सब करने के बाद आपको पता चला कि वहां पर सस्ता है, then you cannot even export. Okay, so pricing part, compare it. Compare the pricing part. Okay. Next, fly to that country. Go to that country personally. जैसे अगर कोई गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड है तो हम उसको हर गली में ढूंढते हैं, एड्रेस पता से लेके सब कुछ. Similarly, go to that country. and search there. What is the market size? वहां पर कैसे लोग हैं, वहां पर कैसा कल्चर है. अगर if there's a market street, what time it opens, what time it closes, what are the weekdays, what kind of people, when, what are the timing when they are the business meet. Okay. Now, और कितना टाइम है मेरे पास? टाइम कितनी आजू बाजू? 20 minutes. Okay. Now I would like to tell you one story. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Now I would love the energy of everybody. I'll keep this thing here. So once, as most of them here from agri background, hope even the online people are able to this thing. I should be here. They can. Okay. So why this story is very important to everybody. Once there was a village. There was a village. English is fine, or you want me to tell me in Hindi? Fine. Okay. Once there was a village. There were a group of farmers. There were a group of farmers there. So what happened? जैसा pandemic था वैसे ही दुष्काल समर वहां पर जो है there was no rains at all. नहीं था, पानी नहीं आ रही थी. And farmer का livelihood is all farming. The farmer's livelihood is all about farming. So then they all were very sad. They all gathered there at a panchayat, and then they said कि क्या करें अभी, हमको भगवान के पास जाके उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करनी पड़ेगी. भाई, why don't you please God, why don't you please bless us and shower the rains there. So they all decided and they went to Lord Vishnu. They went to Lord Vishnu. They went to Lord Vishnu and said, Bhagwan, please do not do this injustice to us. God, please do not do this injustice to us. Please bless us and shower the rains in our fields so that we get our livelihood and we become happy. We can serve our family. So Lord Vishnu said, I am very sorry to hear your story. I am very sad to see that there is no rains and there is no food in your village. But problem is, this right of showering the rain is not with you. It is with Lord Shiva. They said he is with Lord Shiva. So then they said, okay. Then everybody they went there. सब लोग Lord Shiva के पास गए. तो Lord Shiva के पास जैसे ही गए, वहां पर उनकी धर्मपत्नी, his wife, Parvati ji was there. So then they all said the story to Parvati. Parvati said, they said to Parvati, please ma'am, please can we request Lord Shiva to bless us and shower rains in our village. The Parvati, she said, I'm so sorry to hear about all these things and I'm very, very sad to hear this. But the biggest problem right now is Lord Shiva is gone into meditation, dhyana. He's sitting in dhyana and he cannot come. He cannot come back live till 12 months. How many months? 12 months तक वो बाहर नहीं आएंगे. वो तपस्या में है. अभी क्या करें? All the farmers were rejected, and they were very sad. We came with so much of hopes that either of the God will bless us and our village will be getting showers. So they requested a lot, but Parvati said he cannot do anything. They all came back. वो सब लोग वापस आ गए. Everybody came back. And then they said कि अभी anyhow we have to take out this 12 months. 12 महीने हमको झेलना पड़ेगा सबको. This is what they said. After 5 to 6 days, there was one farmer. उसने क्या किया? He went to his farm and he was bowing the seeds. He went to his farm and he was bowing the seeds. सब गांव वाले आए and they were laughing at him. 12 महीने तक बारिश नहीं आने वाला है and you are still bowing the seed. Are you gone mad? Even after knowing that there is no showers going to come, still you are bowing the seeds there. You know what answer he gave? He said, ठीक है 12 महीने तक बारिश नहीं आएगा, मुझे भी पता. I know there is no going to be rains there for 12 months. But in this 12 months, if I forget the way I bow the seed. If I forget the way I bow the seed, what is going to happen? मैं भूल जाऊंगा, कुछ और आदत लग जाएगी. What can I do this? So still the villagers were laughing, and you know, from heaven, Parvati was watching this. Now comes the very interesting turn and twist. Parvati was watching from upstairs, from heaven. कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, वो जो बोल रहा है, she started getting fear. You know why? उसके दिमाग मन में एक चीज आया. शिव भगवान is known for his डमरू बजाने में वो माहिर है, कोई नहीं बजा सकता उनके जैसा. Now she got one fear. 12 महीने शिव भगवान मेडिटेशन में है और 12 महीने के बाद वो डमरू बजाना भूल गए तो 12 महीने के बाद वो डमरू बजाना भूल गए तो what will happen? My husband will lose his identity. My husband will lose his identity. And this thought was going on in her mind. You will not believe it what happened next. You will not believe it what happened next. There were showers. Why? She made Lord Shiva to come back and say, देखो वो फार्मर जो बोल रहा है वो करेक्ट है, उसकी आदत नहीं जानी चाहिए, इसलिए आपकी भी डमरू बजाने की आदत नहीं जानी चाहिए. So that means she woke her up and said, no, आप पहले डमरू बजाइए, आप डमरू बजाइए, नहीं तो आप भूल जाएंगे 12 महीने. And that's how it showered. And that farmer, the only farmer there, he got the cultivation part because he was growing the seed. He was growing the seed. Now the story ends here. Now I want you to, what is your story?
Or will be functional knowledge of
Okay.
be consistent in your work and start continuous improvement.
Everybody is right. Whether it is offline or online, whether it is offline or online, your effort should be same. Whether it is offline or online, whether you are in holiday or this thing, you shouldn't forget your passion. You shouldn't forget your goals. You shouldn't forget your efforts. And whatever it could be, whether it is studies, earning money, finding girlfriend, boyfriend, anything, you should have your consistency there. Hope you like the story.
Yes.
Let's give a round of applause to everybody. Now comes the question answer part. Questions, any questions you can ask me. You can ask, anybody can ask question, give the mic and you can ask the question, no problem at all. Absolutely, the online students can very well ask me. Only one person can help with the mic. Yeah, you tell me, please. You can sit and ask, no problem.
Can I speak in English?
कोई भी लैंग्वेज में बात करो, I know 7 languages.
बेसिकली क्या होता है कि मतलब हम सोचते तो है बिजनेस करने का एंड मे बी हमको आइडिया भी आता है अगर हम रिसर्च वगैरह करते हैं, बट सिमिलरली हम जिस फेज में जाते हैं तो हमें सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन आता है वो आता है मनी से रिलेटेड, बिकॉज विदाउट मनी वी कैन स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस एंड देन उसके बाद में अगर हमें कोई आइडिया आता भी है तो हमें उसको अगर हम फाइनल लेवल से स्टार्ट करते हैं इट कैन बी हैपन, बट इट्स रिक्वायर्ड लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. तब तक के हम अगर अपने फैमिली के बारे में अगर सोचते हैं तो उनको सर्वाइव करना भी जरूरी है, तो वहां पर हम ध्यान नहीं दे पाएंगे. तो
आ गया मेरे को आंसर, तुम्हारा जवाब क्वेश्चन का ध्यान में आ गया. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, माय आंसर इज अगेन सेम. बिफोर, if you got an idea and you want to do a business, you want to convert it into a business, what I said you is find a mentor. Find a mentor, he will guide you. पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं होता है. There are a lot of people who are having money, they don't have idea. इनको ढूंढना है. And now there are a lot of, luckily on this digital era, you have got a lot of website where you can put your idea and tell, I need seed funding. I need seed funding. जहाँ मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. Or partner with somebody. Or find a mentor, find an industrialist. और उसको बोलो कि मुझे कोई ढूंढ के दे, I have got an idea. Prepare everything. इसीलिए मेंटर जरूरी है. मेंटर गाइड करेगा. हमारे इंडिया में एवरीडे आइडियाज आते हैं बट एवरीडे मर जाते हैं. Why? Because there is nobody, they don't have dairy. जिसा तुमने सोचा है. At the end of the day, they get nervous and they stop it here. So don't do that. Find a mentor. He or she will guide you. Don't worry at all. And there are a lot of websites. Don't go on Google, Baba. But there are a lot of websites which are available. You can help you. Anybody else? Yeah. तुम एक काम करो ना, तुम माइक देते रहो ना उनको सबको. Yeah, go ahead.
So that's one thing. I have three things.
हाँ.
I'm foodie.
Okay.
I am very passionate about pharmaceutical companies.
Okay.
And I have one thing which I have found it from Ayurveda therapy.
Right.
I got it from my village.
Right.
It has many properties, like antimicrobial, antibacterial, and all. I want to do something by combining all these three things. Food should be tasty, pharmaceutical should be healthy, and along with the Ayurvedic part, so it will represent our India as well. So I am not sure how should I start.
Fantastic. What a fantastic question. Do you know I did this? I am basically, apart from pharmaceutical, I am into manufacturing of chocolates. I am into manufacturing of chocolate. Do you know? Yes. So do you know women suffer a lot during their menstrual cycle? They suffer with mood swings, period cravings, cramps, energy booster, fatigue, bloating, and antioxidant. What I did research on Ayurveda, herbs, protein, amino acid, minerals, and salts. And I made a first ever chocolate for women in the world, 5 days of periods, 5 different chocolates. Why don't you make a food product? जिसमें pharmaceutical का गुण हो, where it is food and pharma, both can be done. It can be done very easily. Just apply your brain. Again, find a mentor. Find 1 or 3 mentors, no problem. But find a mentor. He can achieve the guide you. Or you can always come to me. I am there, always there. Don't worry at all. But you can do it. Now the thought process is good. Take it ahead. Next. Go ahead.
You indicated about your chocolate. I'm just a lover of chocolate, and I read a lot about the Krishna chocolate.
Right.
Would you like to share something like how did you start it and
Okay. Okay, if she has asked me, I was a country for a Spanish company. I launched products in more than 54 countries. 10 years back, I did research on chocolates. उसके पीछे भी एक story है. I think time is not there, so I will not share that here. Huh? Achha, okay. Okay, then I'll continue. I'll take another 3-4 minutes more. Fortunately, unfortunately, I am a vegetarian. So in Africa, I should travel a lot in Africa. मैं अफ्रीका में बहुत travel करता हूँ. So once in Africa, बड़े शहर में, in bigger city in Africa, you get the vegetarian or the Indian food. But when you go the downtown, when you go to the smaller village, they don't even know the word called vegetarian. उसको vegetarian बोले तो chicken लाके रख देगा. So that is what is the thing. So what I used to do, and I don't even eat egg, fortunately, unfortunately. So what can I do? So what I used to do, I used to go to a mall. One day before, I used to go to a mall whenever I used to travel. So I used to go to a mall and select the chocolates which has got green logo. So which are vegetarian. I used to buy chocolates for 4 to 5 days, put it in my rucksack bag, and I used to travel. So one day, what happened? A 3 days ka trip tha. So one day before I went to the mall, I got the chocolates. I put it in my rucksack bag. And next day we were 7-8 people. We were traveling. It was an 8 hours journey. We used to travel on the border of Sudan and Uganda. So what happened there? In Western Africa that time. So what happened was there. So whenever I was getting hungry, I should take a chocolate and eat it. So this continued, and in the night 8 to 9 o'clock, when I put my hand in the bag when I was hungry, there were no chocolates. What happened in that day? I ate up all the 3 days chocolates in one day. I ate up all the chocolates. Now this triggered something to me. Why did I eat so many chocolates? Pharma wale wahi sochte hain na, kya ho gaya? So why did I eat so many chocolates? So then I thought कि ज़्यादा भूख लगा होगा, maybe something is there. Then a very weird thought came in my mind. अफ्रीका में हूँ, कहीं ड्रग्स तो नहीं डाला, get addicted. Then I said no. Then I started doing the analysis part. I tried to do the survey part, and then I found out I was standing in a country where world's #1 cocoa is produced. I was in Ghana. Till then my friend said, this is the country where all the world chocolatier come to take the cocoa. Here you don't get alcohol this way. It's a quota. Similarly, there's a cocoa, there's a quota there. They don't give you like that. So that now मैं बोला अरे Cadbury 5-star, what should I do there? They're all big player. What can I do there? But still there was a curiosity build up. So while coming back, I got the 10 kg of cocoa here. I got 10 kg of cocoa from them. So when I got the cocoa here, so I kept it in my home and I was traveling around because I was doing all my pharma work. So one day, but every day that bag used to attract me. Kuch na kuch, something was calling me. Something was signaling me. So one day I was going to my friend's lab. So I took that cocoa with me. I said, Arey, let me do some research on this. I have got some good time with me. I can do this. It's now become my passion. I started doing research. So I have got friends in 50 plus 60 plus countries. So whenever I used to get a call from a friend from any other country, after the call, when the call ends, I used to tell him only one thing. Whatever the best chocolates are available in your country, can you send me? The chocolates? Okay. You would have asked me wine, I would have sent. They said, no, I said I want chocolates. So they sent me the chocolates. So now, whenever they used to send me the chocolates, I started doing the research on that. I started doing research. So this continued for 2 years. 2 years, I studied almost all the brands in the world. Now, the last country was my own country. I took chocolates from my country. I studied them. But when I saw the results, they were shocking. Most of the chocolates which are present in the market, whatever we see brown and sweet, we think it's chocolates. They are not chocolates. They are all caramel-based products. What is caramel? It is burnt sugar. Then that is the reason I thought I should start a company and show to the world and to the country the original actual chocolates. And my burning desire is today only one, that I want to sell it in 100 countries, or I want 100 countries to buy Indian chocolate. That's why I called my company as Disha Chocolate ICC, not Indian Cricket Council, but Indian Chocolate Company. This is how my journey began, and I didn't want to do what is there in the market. I wanted to do something research based which can add value. That's my principle. So this is how I started my journey, and this is what I'm doing. At present, I have got 260 varieties of cocoa based chocolates. I even do chocolate Ganesha. And day before yesterday, I received many awards, but day before yesterday, I received the most powerful people of Pune Femina Award to the hands of Kailash here. I own my FD to see Deepak Koshnewal there. So I received this award. I received many awards. I got plenty of awards in this. I keep on doing it. So thank you for listening to me. Coming back to our questions. Yeah, please, if you can, somebody can read. How will I set the legal structure of my business? Okay, fantastic question. See, the legal question setup of this structure is, you have got legal lawyers like trademark lawyers. You have got like trademark lawyers. Why don't you contact the trademark lawyer? The trademark lawyer can get you trademark or the rules and regulation up to 170 countries. That is one. So what you need here is, you need to simple things like, how do I get my shop act registered? Your CA and a lawyer, a simple lawyer and CA can guide you there. It's very easy to do that. Legal structure, how do you want to do it? Whether you want to do a proprietor, a private limited, a LLP, or anything can be done. And it can be done sitting here. You can do it in any country. As a profession, international business consultant and strategist, what kind of a day is it? Day-to-day life, what kind of problems international level, how do you solve them? So there are different problems in international. First of all, in international marketing, you need to set up the timing. Europe ko raat mein 10 baje tak, Africa, if you go to Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia, they are early riser. उनका 6 अपना 1:30 बजता है. So that you need to adjust. US is something different. So first is that. Second, there are, as I have got the experience of so many countries, it becomes easy for me to solve now. Yes, previously I used to handle, it is to be little difficult, especially the language part. But now you have Google Translation, you have so many softwares available, so no problem at all. For them also and for me also, that is how I saw this thing there. So no problem at all on that. Adesh has asked me, sir, you say 30% to products and 70%, but competition is high in packaging. So yes, packaging now you have to become not a hard worker. One more takeaway is, don't become a hard worker, become a smart worker. Become a smart worker. So packaging 70-30 मैंने बोला है, but it's not mandatory. It depends upon product to product. So you need to decide. For that also, again I will tell you, have a mentor or have a consultant. Have a consultant or a mentor. He or she will guide you on the packaging. There are packaging experts also who can guide you there. As you say, what kind of a work is performed by business consultant? You give one practical example. So business consultant is like example. Let's say our speaker Prachi Gadge, she wanted to export to Africa. She has got some food products. Now she want to export. Who's going to help? Who's going to help? Now I have got experience of Africa. I am going to help. So that is what is my this thing of Africa. One practical example you asked me, Shriram, Shivram. So Shivram Kale. So this is what is there. So consultants can help you. कि आपको अफ्रीका में कहाँ जाना है, किधर जाना है, क्या क्या होगा, what are the rules and regulations, what are the pricing, everything can be helped by a business consultant or the strategy. Also you say Africa, I heard that there is a nutrition problem and there is a huge drumstick news out. Yes, drumstick is again a drumstick which is called as moringa powder. Shivram Kale, moringa powder has got again a biggest protein this thing powder. You can do export. There's a huge requirement. I make moringa chocolates too. So there are huge moringa capsules are available. There's a huge demand in moringa. So Shivram Kale, hope I have answered your question. Is there any question there? No. Anybody else got a question? Process, it's a process. Like chocolate is a very sensitive. See, chocolate is very glamorous in seeing. Powder of the leaves. Powder of the leaves. That has got more content. And now moringa capsules are there. So many moringa soaps are coming up. मोरिंगा के बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. मोरिंगा लाटे is coming. आप सीसीडी में जाओगे तो there is a coffee latte. Similarly, there is a turmeric latte. Now there is a moringa latte. जिसमें पाउडर आता है, दूध, शक्कर सब कुछ रहता है. Just put some water or milk and have it. It's like a protein shot. Any other question to anybody who's got? It depends upon the protein content. Protein content के हिसाब से रहता है. Moringa, that's what I'm telling you. It depends upon the protein content and the particle size is there. It depends on that. I don't have right now here, but I can tell you, see in my factory and tell you. No problem, I can tell you. Anybody has got any question? No problem. So, I'm not going to take much of your time. So I always say, छूले आसमान जमी की तलाश न कर. छूले आसमान जमी की तलाश न कर. जी ले जिंदगी खुशी की तलाश न कर. तकदीर बदल जाएगी खुद ही मेरे दोस्त. मुस्कुराना सीख ले, वजह की तलाश न कर. वजह की तलाश न कर. Always keep smiling. So see, this also I want to say, एक पहले इसके पहले का. This ये भी शायरी I always say, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. This is the start. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. हमारे इरादों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है. So अभी तो नापी है कुछ मुट्ठी भर जमीन. अभी तो मापी है कुछ मुट्ठी भर जमीन. आगे तो सारा आसमान बाकी है. This is what you all have to achieve. सारा आसमान, you need to achieve this. Let's go to the next slide. So I am a Guinness Book World Record holder too. You can go to the next slide. I am also the international ambassador for Government of Qatar. So that's all from my side today. Thank you so much for patient hearing me. Hope you all liked my session. And if you like, thank you so much for I'm there on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, I got 26,000 followers. You can be always connect me there. I'm there on Facebook. I'm very much open. Anytime you can be there. Thank you so much for patient hearing. Hope you all liked my session and see you soon.
Thank you so much.
Good morning to one and all, respected guests, faculty members, and all my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thank Sir for giving me the chance to express my views about Sir's today's session. I express my sincere vote of thanks on behalf of LBS to you, Sir, uh, uh, and also to spare your time from your busiest schedule and grasp the session. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will always be surely going to encourage us in our future. We had a very interesting interacting session with you, which helped us to gain a knowledge about all our problems in agri sector as well as pharma sector and food processing sector. Your thoughts and experience will definitely help us to motivate in our lives. You also cleared our concept about the packaging industry and told us how it has a vast growth, and also you shared a very huge knowledge about export and its processes. The story which you told today gives us the moral that we should never stop working and should put consistent efforts on our passion and dreams. So I would like to thank you, sir. We are all thankful to have a motivational speaker like you, and it was a fantastic time to be with you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.